Happy Monday morning, Continental. I've never worked on this specific one at this location, but you know, we play with these all. It's unplugged. They left it unplugged. They asked me, oh my gosh. They called Saturday and said it wasn't working, and I said it would definitely be best to unplug it, leave it off, so that we don't burn up a compressor. Alright, I just plugged this in. It's very loud. And also, yeah, I think that did a compressor kicking. Alright, so just doing a visual inspection first. It doesn't look great. I'm not sure what's what yet. We'll chase the wires back, whether that's the main end or that's the compressor, so maybe we're just not getting good. Cut the zip tie. We'll strip these back and we'll inline them all. I was going to get to the compressor. I wanted to see amp draw and all that when it's running, but let's fix this first. We have a starting problem. Give it a minute. Watch. Hooked up to the compressor. 200 amps. Let's hope for a capacitor, huh? Guess what, kiddos? Give it a minute. The compressor will try and fire off. Step left is for me to actually ensure that I'm getting proper 150, yeah, 200 amps, 16 amps, boom, that compressor's locked up. I'm going to confirm inbound voltage, but I mean, I'm hitting it with a half horse start. If she could start, she would start. This is why I like the Wagos, is that now I can unhook my hard start kit and I can hook my terminals into the Wagos instead of the compressor side and see. Just confirm once I know we have 115 volts, which I do because it wouldn't have pulled 200, but I'm going to confirm it. And then we're going to condemn this compressor because we are providing 120 volts to my hard start kit, so, or to my pre-input. Okay, bad way to start a Monday. Need a compressor. So, pardon me. So we cut out the whole unit. Here she is. I ran and grabbed the compressor. There she is. I cut the line sets back so that I can do all my work here. Change my dryer, change my compressor, and then pull the coil set out, do my last two braces, and be done. All right, so it's 3/8 in and 1/4 out. So the dryer I have is 3/8. So we're gonna just torch it in that way, and that's why I keep a container full of miscellaneous adapters so we can get there. Okay? On step one, bada bing. And we had this wrapped with wet rag, so little on the edges, but not bad. All right, we got nitrogen in. We braze that back in. Oh, looky there. I bubble checked everything. I would have liked to have slipped that as well, but I didn't have a 1/4 left on me. So, no leaks, no leaks, no leaks. We're gonna dump this nitrogen, pull the vacuum. All right, I fired it up. I didn't get any action on the condenser. We weighed in our 20 ounces, all is well, but I wasn't getting any voltage out of my condenser outlet, and it looks like the neutral burnt down, which is weird. So now I gotta change an outlet. So what you had is when we pulled 200 amps trying to start, we stuck the defrost plug. Couldn't figure it out. I had 120 in, I had 120 out, but this is the heating circuit. So, and I hope we didn't smoke anything else. All right, let me go ahead and get all this stuff wire managed up and running. All right, so I gotta finish rewrapping this section of the suction line. I got my wires secured, everything good. I had to run, I actually ran some screws in the ear because this was vibrating like crazy. It was so loud, but we're running strong. Pressures were good. Sorry, I've been here all day. Apparently when it smoked, I'm so glad it didn't smoke this. When it pulled this 200 amps, it both smoked the thermal overload, which I had to replace, which is the little dollop on the inside here, temperature probe, it was blown, and the defrost clock. So I fired it up, thought I'd plug it in and go, and nope, sure enough, I had to run around and fix all sorts of melted stuff.